Hi everyone, my name is Filip Ekberg and welcome to my C# Design Patterns course covering the Chain of Responsibility pattern. I'm a principal consultant and CEO at a consultant agency operating out of Gothenburg in Sweden. I started this company a few years ago, focusing on building fast, powerful, and easy to maintain solutions. This course is for those of you that want to learn how the Chain of Responsibility pattern works and how to implement that in your C# applications. We will cover everything that you need to know to master this pattern. This includes what the Chain of Responsibility pattern is and its characteristics, understanding the benefits and trade-offs when using the Chain of Responsibility pattern, how to implement the Chain of Responsibility pattern in new and existing solutions, as well as identifying and leverage existing implementations. By the end of this course, you will feel comfortable with implementing the Chain of Responsibility pattern in your applications. This will allow you to build extensible, more robust, and testable applications. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with the C# syntax and how to build and run .NET applications. No other prior knowledge is necessary. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn all about working with this very powerful C# design pattern with the Chain of Responsibility Patterns course here at Pluralsight.